Hi guys, my name is Tanu Sardana. You're watching Foxy. In this video, I'll be talking about lipsticks. Yes, we all love using lipsticks, but to pick a right lipstick can be sometimes very tricky. So in this video, I'll be telling you कि fair skin के लिए and in fact warm और neutral undertones के लिए कौन-कौन से colors बहुत ज़्यादा suit करते हैं. कितनी बार ऐसा होता है जब हम एक लिपस्टिक खरीद कर आते हैं, उसको लगाते हैं तो उसका एक वाव लुक नहीं आता है, लेकिन कभी-कभी कुछ लिपस्टिक्स हम पे बहुत ही अमेजिंग लगती हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज द रियल रीजन बिहाइंड इट? व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली द साइंस बिहाइंड इट? Now, see, it's very easy to figure out कि हमारा skin tone कौन सा है. Because obviously it's very easy to figure out कि fair, whitish या फिर थोड़ा सा dark. लेकिन अंडरटोन थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोसेस हो सकता है, लेकिन बहुत मेजर इम्पैक्ट आता है when you know your right undertone. Now, how to find out your undertone is through your veins. Check your veins. If they are green in color, then that means you belong to warm undertone. But if they are blue in color, that means you belong to cool undertone. लेकिन अगर आपको लग रहा है कि blue भी है, green भी है, that means you belong to the neutral undertone. And that is how you can find out कि कौन-कौन से लिपस्टिक्स के शेड्स आपको बहुत ज़्यादा सूट करने वाले हैं. So now if I talk about myself, as you can see I have a fair skin and I fall under the category of warm undertone. तो इस वीडियो में मैं वो सारी लिपस्टिक्स बताने वाली हूँ जो मेरे warm undertone और fair skin tone के लिए बिल्कुल परफेक्ट हैं. In fact, अगर आपका neutral undertone है तब भी ये लिपस्टिक्स आपके ऊपर बहुत अच्छी लगने वाली हैं. Now I have picked up L'Oreal Paris 115 I Am Worth It lipstick. So as you can see, I've applied the lipstick and I really like this lipstick. And in fact, मैं तो बोलूँगी, the look is also worth it because if you want to carry this look and this nice lipstick which falls under the neutral undertone, तो आप एक cocktail साड़ी के साथ it's going to just glam up. So if you want to try, then again, I am sure you're going to like it. Now I'm going to use another lipstick which is absolute favorite of mine. It's from L'Oreal Paris. Very nice packaging and I would say very beautiful color. Name is Sakura Blossom. What I really like about this lipstick is कि मेरे skin tone और मेरे undertone के साथ perfect जाती है ये lipstick. That I've applied the lipstick and this is exactly how it looks. I usually carry this lipstick every day because it's very light or any colored clothes that I wear, whether it's white, black, red, pink, grey, हर किसी के साथ बहुत perfectly जाती है. In fact, day time के लिए जितनी अच्छी मुझे ये personally लगती है, उतना ही if you want to wear this lipstick in any of the evening events, then also it's a plus for you because बहुत ही natural shade लगता है. If you are like me ना, जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा केकी और मेड अप लुक पसंद नहीं है, then this is the lipstick for you all. Now I'm going to use a lipstick that truly suits me and it's very nice, I must say. It's from Maybelline and the name is Firecracker Red. As you can see that I've applied the lipstick and I personally love using this one only on my western clothes. My opinion है, you can use it even on Indian clothes as well. And what I really like about this lipstick is कि बहुत creamy है. So over a period of time ऐसा नहीं feel होने वाला है कि बहुत chappy हो रहे हैं lips या बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो रहे हैं. So this one is perfect for every occasion. Next lipstick that I'm going to be using is Color Bar. I really love the name. It says Take Me As I Am lip color and the shade name is Plum Rage. What I really like about it, it's exactly in the shape of a crayon. जैसे crayons color करते हैं और इसीलिए बहुत easy to apply भी है ये lipstick. Final look of this beautiful, amazing lipstick. एक तो again इसका texture बहुत ही creamy है and I personally love using lipsticks that have creamy texture. What I really like is कि सारी lipsticks मुझ पे इसलिए भी इतना सूट कर रही हैं because again this goes well with my skin tone and also my undertone. Now I love this lipstick. Again, it's from L'Oreal Paris and the name is I Choose. As you can see the look of this amazing lipstick that I've tried. I love this one because एक तो बहुत soft tone है, so day time में carry करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा color है. Preferably, I use it when I'm at work अगर मैं किसी ऑफिस मीटिंग को अटेंड कर रही हूँ और जहाँ पे मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा लाउड लुक नहीं चाहिए, then I use this tone. It's perfect. So if you also want to brighten up the day, you can try this one. Because personally, I love using it. There's another lipstick that goes well with my skin tone, which is fair, and my undertone also. And I'm going to show you. I personally love this brand. It's Sugar. Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick, and you know it is actually what it says. ये smudge नहीं होती है, and the shade that I'm using is Rust Lust. Like the look of this lipstick on me, then I would suggest you to try it. In fact, इस वीडियो में मैंने जितनी भी लिपस्टिक्स यूज की हैं वो फेयर स्किन टोन और वार्म और न्यूट्रल अंडरटोन्स को बहुत सूट करती हैं. So if you also have similar undertone and fair skin just like me, you can also try it out. And if you like this video, you know what to do. You're supposed to download Foxy. Stay fab, stay foxy.